Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to activate Chase Debit Card. First thing I want you to do is launch up the Chase app, log into your account, and then what I want you to do is go ahead and find the alert which says Activate Card, okay? And then I want you to tap here on Activate Now. Now you'll be on this page. To activate your new card, you just enter the 16-digit card number that you will find on your card, the expiration date, and the CVV code. Now this is the 3-digit code you'll find on the back of your card, and then I want you to come here and tap on Activate Card. They'll send you a security verification to confirm your identity. You can do this via text message or email as well. Choose whichever one you want, then hit continue, and then you just enter your PIN and your activation will be completed after you click on finish activation. Just set your PIN. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.